And good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Jason Dunning in the NBC2 First Alert Hurricane Center with a special addition to the blog today, video blog, because of the increased interest in a tropical wave that we have. It's still well away from southwest Florida, about 1,700 miles away, but a lot of the forecast computer models, which is what we use to forecast the direction and path of these storms, a lot of those have been fairly consistent in bringing us towards South Florida as we head into the late part of next week, maybe around Thursday and Friday. But just want to stress, this is nothing to be concerned about. It's not even a named system, but let's get a closer look in here. We're looking on the visible satellite, and there's the area of interest right here. And you can see that's about 1,700 miles away from southwest Florida. Here's a wider perspective. Here's Tropical Storm Harvey, not a concern for us, but here's that tropical wave that the Hurricane Center now giving about an 80% chance of developing into a tropical system over the next 48 hours. Here's the Lesser Antilles, the Windward and Leeward Islands. As we put this satellite loop into motion, you can see it is getting better organized, still not having a defined center of circulation, but that could change because the environment out ahead of it is looking pretty favorable. All right, where is it headed? Here's the spaghetti plots, all the different forecast models plotted onto one chart. And here's a close-up view of southwest Florida. And this is one reason why we're watching this so closely, because a lot of the models converge on South Florida, and this would be around the Thursday to Friday time frame. Here's one of those models. We'll look at what we call the GFS. This has at least a track record of being one of the more reliable models as far as tracking the path of each tropical system. And this is around Friday at 10 o'clock at night, and this is what maybe could be Irene at some point. And the GFS, this model, is bringing up toward south central Florida as we get into late parts of next week. Still early in the game. A lot can change. At this point, take this with a grain of salt, because these models often do flop around back and forth. So we could very well see this change over the course of the next few days, but just want to give you an update on the latest we have here as of Saturday during the afternoon. All right, I'm meteorologist Jason Dunning from the First Alert Hurricane Center.